Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Jenkins Certification Training Course, Lecture 10. In this lecture we will learn about Jenkins Certification Exam Preparation, Introduction, Exam Format, Question Types, Review of Key Concepts and Best Practices, Practice Exams and Mock Tests, Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to our lecture on Exam Preparation Best Practices. As you know, exams can be a stressful and challenging experience. However, with the right preparation and mindset, you can perform at your best and achieve great results. In this presentation, we will cover key concepts such as exam format and question types, review best practices for exam preparation, and provide tips for using practice exams and mock tests to build confidence and identify areas of weakness. By the end of this presentation, you will have a solid understanding of how to prepare effectively for any exam and feel confident in your abilities. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of exam preparation. Exam format. There are several types of exam formats, each with their own pros and cons. Multiple choice questions, for example, are often used to test knowledge and understanding of a subject. However, they can also be tricky because of the way the questions are phrased. Essay questions, on the other hand, allow for more in-depth analysis and critical thinking, but can be time-consuming to answer. Short answer questions are a good compromise between the two, as they require students to provide concise answers that demonstrate their knowledge and understanding. When approaching multiple choice questions, it's important to read the question carefully and eliminate any obviously wrong answers first. For essay questions, it's important to plan your response before you start writing and make sure you address all parts of the question. For short answer questions, focus on providing clear and concise answers that demonstrate your understanding of the material. Question types. Exam questions come in a variety of types, each requiring a different approach. The first type is recall questions, which test your ability to remember specific information. To answer these questions effectively, it's important to review and memorize key terms and concepts. The second type is application questions, which require you to apply your knowledge to a particular situation. To answer these questions effectively, it's important to understand the context of the question and use critical thinking skills to analyze the situation. Review of key concepts and best practices. Effective exam preparation involves more than just studying the material. It also requires good time management skills, effective study techniques, and stress reduction strategies. By incorporating these key concepts and best practices into your exam preparation routine, you can improve your performance and achieve better results. One of the most important aspects of exam preparation is time management. This means setting aside dedicated study time each day, breaking down large tasks into smaller ones, and prioritizing your study materials based on their importance and difficulty level. Additionally, using effective study techniques like active recall and spaced repetition can help you retain information more effectively. Finally, managing stress through techniques like deep breathing and exercise can help you stay focused and calm during the exam. Practice exams and mock tests. Practice exams and mock tests are essential to exam preparation because they help identify areas of weakness and build confidence. To use practice exams effectively, it's important to simulate exam conditions as closely as possible, including timing yourself and taking the exam in a quiet environment. Additionally, it can be helpful to review your answers and identify any patterns and mistakes or areas where you need more practice. There are many resources available for finding practice exams and mock tests, such as online study guides or test prep books. It's important to choose high-quality materials that accurately reflect the format and content of the exam you're preparing for. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have covered a lot of ground in this presentation. We have discussed the importance of understanding exam formats and question types, reviewed key concepts and best practices, and explored the benefits of practice exams and mock tests. The key takeaway from this presentation is that effective exam preparation requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and strategies. By applying the information and tips we have provided, you can improve your exam performance and achieve your academic and career goals. Remember, success on exams is not just about intelligence, it's also about preparation and hard work.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.